So from this, you go to that, puts it in G code, and then you saw it cutting. So here it is. Here's the real world piece. You know, it's not very thick, but that's the bottom of it. I have the actual water fitting. It's threaded that you can bolt up. It's got a little bitty rubber gasket on it, and then you can see where all the little holes are for the water to go down the side of the tube. And then I use one of these. You just find this at Home Depot. It's a 4-inch rubber, and it has a lip on the inside. I don't know if you can see it right there. That lip, got it the right size where this drops in. I'm gonna do this one-handed. That's it, man. That's the bottom. That's the top where the water will accumulate. This whole thing actually fills up, but this is something I just came up with. So not too shabby.